Hello student, I am Dr. Paramita Basu from UID Design. So today I have come with my team to make this video for UID form filling. UID has declared his form are out and you can fill this form online, and also you can contact me and you can fill hard copy also. For this form I have given you the link which is there in the description box. You can fill that link where you that form of UID, and if you want any sample papers or anything else, you can contact me in my number, and then you have to share with me your form which you have already filled, and then I will send you the sample papers. If you want some concession in form filling, then you can fill our one key form which we have already given video before, and for this also, for getting a one key form link, you have to WhatsApp me in my number. So what are you waiting for? Grab your phone and just ask me for one key form or any other things related with UID. So now my team will show you about UID form filling. So let us go and see how you have to fill the form.
In the first page of admission, register yourself by entering your name, email address, phone number, your state and city, campus you want to go, and select the course you want to study. Then enter the text as shown in the box and click on the box as shown in the video. Then click on the Validate Email option that has been sent to your email you have provided earlier. Then after validate your email, click on Apply Now option as shown in the video. Now a page like this will appear. First you have to select if you have appeared for design aptitude test at UID earlier. Then fill in your personal details like your title, first name, middle name and last name. Then fill in the alternate email address and phone number. Then fill your date of birth, gender, blood group, religion and nationality.
And then select your ID proof and the caste category you belong to.
Then according to your selected ID proof, fill in the ID details that have been asked and then click on Next as shown in the video. Now you have to fill in the parents' details as asked. First you have to fill your father details that have been asked like title, your father name, mobile number, email address, occupation, and further educational qualification.
And then you have to fill in your mother's details that have been asked, like title, your mother's name, mobile number, email address, occupation, and mother's educational qualification. And then you have to fill in your guardian details like title, guardian name, mobile number, email address, and your relation with the guardian. Then select your family's annual income and then click on next as shown in the video. Now, you have to fill in your address details. If you do not have the same address as permanent address, click on no. Then you have to fill in the permanent address area, where you have to select your country address and PIN code. But if you have the same permanent address as in your correspondence address, click on yes. Then select your country, state, district, and city if you want to change, which is filled out already. Then click on next. Now you have to fill in your educational details. Fill out the form in the same process as shown in the video. Now you have to click on yes or no if you have appeared in any entrance exam. If yes, fill out the details which have been asked. Then you have to select if you have any work experience or not. Then click on next as shown in the video. Now you have to upload the documents which have been asked, like your photo, 10th class mark sheet, Adhara card, photo of your signature and 12th class mark sheet, and make sure that the size of all the documents should be less than 1 MB. After uploading the documents, click on next. Now, the final part is declarations form. Click on the button after reading the terms and conditions above. And then click on the application fee as shown in the video. After clicking on the application fee, a page will appear like this. Pay the amount that has been shown and submit your application.
Okay, so now you have seen how to fill the form, and then you have to pay the form fees. Normally this exam is actually happens once a year. If you have to fill the form right now, then normally the exam happens in January. And if you fill this form now, you have to fill 22,000 rupees for the form. But if you miss the exam, then you have to go for NRI, and the form will increase for 3,000 rupees. And you want some concession in form filling, you have to just WhatsApp me, and then you can get my 1 key form where you will get some concession in form filling. And after you fill the form, just WhatsApp me in my number the pic, and then I will send you all the sample papers which I have of the last few years for sample papers of UID, so that it will be easy for you to give the exam. Also, you have to make a portfolio, because UID also has second paper which is a portfolio and interview round. For that also you can contact me in my number, so that I will advise you how you have to make the portfolio. So what are you waiting for? Grab your phone and WhatsApp me. So I think this video is very important for all the students who want to take admission in UID. So like and share, and those who have come first time in this channel, do subscribe us. We will meet you with lots of video. Bye for today.